In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Windows encounter the problem installing the driver software for your device. So let's get started. Click on the start button and you have to click on the settings icon. From here in the list of options on the left pane, we have to simply click on system. Scroll down and you have to click on troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Then here you will find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. What this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. So simply follow the on-screen instructions, and with this will also automatically fix the issue for you. So run this Windows Update Troubleshooter. After so, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more useful tutorials for you. Next method, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. Now simply type SFC space forward slash scan now. SFC space forward slash scan now. Scan now is just one word and there is no space in between. Hit enter. So this will start the system scan. So you have to wait for this process to be 100% completed. There is no specific duration for this. You just have to patiently wait for the process to be completed. Once completed, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Do not forget to restart your Windows after running the SFC scan. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.